Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're getting cannot connect to App Store on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 16 or iOS 16.1. The App Store is only supposed to download apps from iPhone and iPad. However, in the rare cases, the iOS App Store may not work and display a message that says cannot connect to App Store. As a result, downloading, re-downloading, or updating app might fail. If you find yourself in that situation where you can't browse or download or update anything, then watch this video to fix it. So the first step is ensure Wi-Fi or cellular data is working. Usually you can't use App Store because your iPhone or iPad isn't connected to the internet. Sometimes your device may show Wi-Fi icon, but there are maybe no internet access. Other times you may think your mobile data is working, but actually it isn't. So make sure that your internet is working. And the step 2 is enable cellular data for App Store. Go to the setting on your iPhone and cellular data and make sure that App Store is enabled. So open setting, click on cellular and make sure that App Store is turned on. So if it's turned off, you can turn it on. Step 3 is turn off VPN. Are you using a virtual private network or a VPN on your iPhone or iPad while trying to open the App Store? When a VPN is active, you see the word VPN on the iPhone in status bar right here. With most VPN paid or free, you can access the iOS App Store, but in case it repeatedly show an error, doesn't let you explore open. So make sure that you turn off your VPN. So make sure it's turned off. Make sure that your date and time is correct. Go to your iPhone, click in general, click on date and time, and make sure that you have turn off the set automatically, and make sure that you correct your date and time. And the last step is restart your iPhone. Often several iPhone issues are resolved just by turning it off and back on. If App Store isn't working your device, make sure you do this. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.